Hey there, ever wish you had more control over your image sizes in JupyterX and Elementor? Instead of being stuck with the default options? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your very own custom image sizes. This means you can get your images looking perfectly tailored to your design every single time. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450+ ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's dive in and get those custom sizes set up. First, click on the Settings tab. Then, select Image Sizes from the sidebar menu. To create a new custom image size, click the Add a New Size button. Let's start by clicking into the Size Name text field. I'll go ahead and type test size here. After that, click on the Image Width input field. I'm going to set the width to 400 pixels for this custom size. Now, click on the Image Height field. And I'll input 500 here for the height. Since I want my images to be cropped to this specific size, I will go ahead and activate the hard crop option right here. Finally, click Save to add this new image size. Alright, now let's head over to the Elementor editor area and see this new custom image size in action. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so now we're going to click the Reload button so Elementor can display our brand new custom image size. Alright, let's kick things off by adding an image widget. Just type image into the search box there. With the image widget found, drag it into the editing area. Next, we need to choose an image. Click on the Choose Image button to open up our media library. Here, I'll pick the image I want to use for this example. Once selected, click the Select button to insert the image. Now that the image has been added to our page, it's time to check out the new custom image size. Let's go ahead and expand this settings section to see the options inside. Then, select our new custom image size from the drop-down list, in this case, test size. And there it is! We can now use the custom image size we created earlier. Now let's publish our changes and check the results in a new tab. And there you have it. We've just walked through how to create and brilliantly use custom image sizes right within JupyterX and Elementor. Now you're not limited by standard options. You can craft images that perfectly fit your unique design vision. Go ahead, give it a try on your next project, and watch your designs truly shine. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!